الدرس الثامن عشر lesson 18 عيد استقلال الهند India's Independence Day. So these are the exercises. First question is صرف الفعلين التاليين مع ذكر المعاني. Conjugate the following verbs by mentioning the meaning. So they're given jahada, which is to strive, the past tense, and yujahidu, which is the present tense. So you have to do both past and present. So for jahada, it is jahada, jahada, jahadu, jahadat, jahadata, jahadna. So these six were the third person, Damirul Ghaib. First three were singular, dual, and plural for male, and the next three were singular, dual, and plural for female. Now coming to second person, jahatta, jahattuma, jahattum, jahatti, jahattuma, jahattunna. So this is again similar to that. Male first three, singular, dual, and plural, and likewise the female. And jahattu, jahadna. I strived and we strive for both male and female for singular and plural. Now the mudari is yujahidu. So yujahidu, yujahidani, yujahiduna, tujahidu, tujahidani, yujahidna. Tujahidu, tujahidani, tujahiduna, tujahidina, tujahidani, tujahidna, ujahidu, nujahidu. Next verb is da'a. Da'a means to invite, can also mean to pray. Now the thing about this verb is that there is an alif at the end. When there's alif at the end, then it is a bit different to the normal conjugation. So let's see here. Da'a, da'awa, da'aw. See the waw is here because the waw is the origin of the alif. That's why the waw has come. Da'at, da'ata, da'awna. Da'awta, da'awtuma, da'awtum, da'awti, da'awtuma, da'awtunna. See the waw has come here also. Da'awta, da'awtuma, da'awtum. So the ending is all the same. Ta, tuma, tum. And da'awti, da'awtuma, da'awtunna. And finally da'awtu, da'awna. Now the verb فعل مضارع of it is يدعو, which is to invite, يعني in the present tense. يدعو, يدعواني, يدعونا. So the waw is here. تدعو, تدعواني, يدعونا. تدعو, تدعواني, تدعونا. تدعين, تدعواني, تدعونا. أدعو, ندعو. So as you can see, this تدعونا repeats here. But of course here this is a noon, ثبوت noon, and this is noon niswa. This is a noon of the female. Now we can understand the difference between them only through the context. Next question is هاتي المفردات للجموع والجمول المفردات مع استخدامها في الجمل. Give the singulars for the plurals and plurals for the singulars and use them in sentences. So if they give you the singular, give plural and the opposite. And then you have to make sentences of them. So they give the word bilad, which is countries. So the singular is balad, which is country. So أحب بلدي كثيرا, I love my country a lot. Then they give one tarikh, which is history. And the plural of that is tawarikhu. So tawarikhu jami' al-biladi muhimma. That's the sentence. Histories of all the countries are important. And they given now a'maq, which is the bottom and the plural of it. And the singular is umqun. Nahtamu bi baladi min a'maqina. So that's the sentence. We care for our country from the bottom of our hearts. Or you can say min umqina, as they've asked for the singular. Philosoph, so they given falasifa, which is philosophers, and the singular is philosoph. So كان سقراط philosophan في اليونان. Socrates was a philosopher in Greece. Next is they given aziz, which is dear, and the plural is أعزاء. So أفراد أسرتي أعزاء لي, my family members are dear to me. Then they given صيام, and the plural صيام. So المسلمون مشغولون بصيامهم في شهر رمضان. Muslims are occupied with their fasts in the month of Ramadan. Then they're given shu'ub, which is people, and the singular sha'ab. So yalbasu sha'abu al-imarati al-kandura. The UAE people wear kandura. Now, ماذا يقول الشاعر لخص في عربية? Yani summarize what the poet is saying in Arabic. So first we mentioned the poet name. كتب هذا الشعر الشاعر علي عبد الظاهر حسين. This poem was written by poet Ali Abdul Zahir Hussein. هذا الشعر يتعلق باستقلال الهند مع سيطرة البريطانيين. The poem is about the independence of India from the control of the British. يهنئ الشاعر شعب الهند بمناسبة عيد استقلال الهند. This poet wishes the Indian people on the occasion of India's Independence Day. يمدح شعب الهند بما صبروا وتحملوا ضد تحكم البريطانيين. He praises the Indian people for the patience and forbearance they did against the British rule. يتحدث الشاعر عن جهد غاندي في الصيام والصبر للأجل الاستقلال. The poet speaks about the efforts of Gandhi in fasting and keeping patience for the sake of independence. هو أيضا يثني على غاندي. He also praises Gandhi لدعوته للتآخي, for his call towards brotherhood بترك الخصومات, by leaving all the quarrels. Next is to answer these questions. أجب على الأسئلة الآتية. من هم شعب سلام? Who are the people of peace? شعب الهند. So the answer is the Indian people. من قابل الشدائد بابتسام? Who faced the adversities with a smile? شعب الهند, the Indian people. لمن التاريخ المجيد? Who has the glorious history, or who does the glorious history belong to? الهند, India. من دعا الشعب إلى التآخي ونبذ الخصام? Who invited the people to brotherhood and leaving disputes? Gandhi. So these answers are very simple, but the most important thing is to understand the question clearly, and then we can answer the correct ones. The answers are very simple: Indian people, India, and Gandhi.